Hello everyone, this is Milt Washington Deck 1999 here, and welcome to the most exciting unboxing since the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. I introduced to you guys the LG 43UJ6300 4K TV. So since I'm sitting here sweating my butt off in this hot room, let's go ahead and open this thing right away. Alright, so as soon as we open the box, we see the mounts here for desktops. Then we see the power cable, which is detachable. It's also angled. First time I've seen that for a TV. Alright, take these out. I'll go ahead and pull out the styrofoam and go right to that shot. Here's the TV with the plastic on. And lastly, here it is without. Here it is in its full glory. On the mounts, of course. The background noise that you guys hear is the fan in my room because it's way too hot now. But anyways, I took off all the plastic around the TV, got it plugged in, remote's all set up, so let's see if it receives the signal. Yes, it does. And boy, does it look good. Well, except that the internals aren't really optimized for 4K. Looks like it's probably 1080p, but oh well. Let's see what we can do with this.
Please press the OK button on your remote. Volume 16, 17.
Oh, that's gonna get annoying. Oh well.
OK. Confirm your location and language settings. Navigate with left. English. Check.
Okay then.
Español.
And this one looks a little bit
English.
better.
Check.
English,
Español.
yeah.
Español. Uncheck. Scroll up. Button. Time zone select. Time zone select. ADA. Uncheck. Los Angeles. Uncheck. Los
Angeles.
Uncheck. Time zone Los Angeles. OK. Button. LG TV provides audio guidance for the visually impaired. Do you want to turn off audio guidance?
Alright, home. TV for home environment. Okay. Alright, since I'm in my room, we're going to go ahead and do wireless. There we go. Alright, legal notice. If you guys want to go ahead and pause, that's what it says. Of course, agree to the privacy policy and the terms of use. No way it can abuse those, right? Use of cookies, huh? Hopefully not tracking cookies. Alright, let's just say I don't have TV service for now. For zip code, skip ahead of this step. Of course there's no TV service, so I'm going to go right into the apps, if I can. There's the selection right there. I'm going to go ahead and go to YouTube. Of course I have to update it first, so I will. Huh. Automatically activated. Yep. Activate just like that. Huh. Luckily it's by the kilobyte, not the megabyte. It's got a gig of memory, or it's got a gig of storage, which is pretty cool for a TV. And there we are. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in to a test video and see what we're looking at. course I have to do this first, and I'm recording on my phone, so let's skip ahead once again. Now, surprise, surprise, look at that. We're all signed in. Now I need to go ahead and look up a 4K video, and the unfortunate thing about this is it doesn't have a keypad on it, on the back of it, unlike some Vizio TVs do. But, you know, I suppose it's not that big of a deal. Go ahead and look up some 4K video. Credit to the original owner. Next question is, can my Wi-Fi handle it? I'm totally aware that I'm recording in 1080p. Oh well. Unfortunately, the Wi-Fi is kind of limiting the streaming bit rate right now, so I'm seeing it in very low quality. You guys probably don't want to watch this anymore, so I guess we can say that's it for now. I'll eventually go into more depth about this TV later on, once I have it set up and incorporated into my main setup. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this very special unboxing. The most exciting one since the unboxing of this phone right here. So with all that being said, I will see you guys later. Have a nice day, and this is Milton Washington Tech 1999 signing out.